Hello everybody and welcome to Murphy Furniture. My name is Eugene. I'd like to talk to you today about our assembly, something that some people have little issues with, but we can solve that problem, no problem. This is one of our wardrobes, the Berkshire. It's available in both oak and in white. This is assembled and delivered, obviously, in your home at only $619. But of course, if you wanted it just to collect and assemble yourself, we can do a much better price than that. But that's delivered and assembled in your home at $619, available in oak and white. This is also, as I said, available in oak and white. The oak one is 1.4 meters. This one is at 2 meter. Again, assembled and delivered in your home at only $819, or if you wanted to take away, no problem, we can do a much better price again. Just to show you then just some of our other ranges, that's only one of our many ranges that we have, thankfully, here in Murphy Furniture. This here is also a two-door wardrobe or Oxford range, one of our other ranges. Again, it's available, as I said, flat packed if you wish to take away for as little as $3.99. But if you want it delivered and assembled in your home, $4.49. It comes obviously with two-door hanging space inside and a drawer underneath. And very, very modern with its finish. Again, ranges and pieces to match in all this type of thing. This is our solid oak range, one of the ranges which actually comes 90%, most of our ranges would be assembled, as you can see. But where they're not, we can provide that service, flat packed where necessary and assembled where required. We assemble the beds, the single beds, they're done. It's simply €40 to assemble and deliver, and it's €50 for a double. Very, very reasonable. So again, gets rid of that little myth and worry, how do you put it together, how do you get it at home? We solve all that problem in Murphy Furniture here. This here is a sofa bed, which is proved to be very popular. Again, we deliver all our sofas and assemble them free of charge in your home. There's a lot of work sometimes to some sofas and not as much to some, but this one is literally assembled in your home, and anything to do with packaging and covering up, we take all of that away. So what you're looking at is what you'll be left with in your home as you see it, and rightly so. Peace of mind, as I say, to assemble and clean. That's Murphy Furniture. We're on murphyfurniture.ie and any of our stores, which covers Gorey, you have Naas, you have Carlow, you have Dublin, Tella, and of course here in Wexford. We'll all look forward to seeing you. Please feel free to pop in with no obligation. And thanks for listening. Bye bye.